I think with FDA as well, you look at a lot of the different ways that they're kind of viewing this, and you have to think that this was kind of thrown into their lap, and it was sort of a Herculean, type of task that you guys had to really have a lot of that education around not only just the efficacy of MDMA, but also the therapy that goes along with it.
We had to do a lot of work educating the FDA. I mean, the FDA has never looked at any combination treatment between drug and therapy. So I think the field is basically getting the wrong message from the rejection that we had. The field is getting this message: the therapy is so complicating, FDA doesn't regulate therapy, therefore let's minimize or eliminate therapy. And we have the example of Spravato, which is...
It just came out. Yeah.
And now it's hitting, Spravato is ketamine.
Ketamine, yep.
Nasal spray, but it's now $1 billion annual sales without any therapy. And yet it doesn't work as well without therapy. But that's best for J&J, because when you end up having a drug that the experiences are not that durable, they fade pretty quickly, you need multiple treatments of the ketamine. When you combine it with therapy, you end up having more durable results, deeper results, more integration work. It's not just physiological, it's also about the content. But then all this money that goes to the therapist doesn't go to the pharma company. And then when you start really getting more durable results and deeper results, you don't need as much ketamine. We have this example of Spravato as being, this is a big, great success in the world of pharma. And then we have the criticisms that we received, like, people don't understand our therapy, and the FDA doesn't really regulate therapy. So I think the wrong message is being gotten by people in the industry that it's not about what's best for patients. It's about what's simplest to get through the FDA, and that's drug, forget about therapy. But MAPS has been, and Lykos, while I still was in charge of it, was really about what's best for patients. That is the operating philosophy. And that's why we got such great results. And that's why we helped build this entire psychedelic ecosystem.